In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and publish a blog post on Shopify to help grow your audience and drive more traffic to your store. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then select Blog Posts. Next, click Create Blog Post. You'll be taken to the editor where you can enter your blog title, write your content, and add images or other media to make your post more engaging. Write valuable content that helps your audience, answers common questions, or shares useful tips related to your niche. A strong title and clear formatting can help keep readers engaged. Once your blog post is ready, review everything carefully and make any final edits. Finally, click Save or Publish to make your blog post live on your Shopify store. That's it! You've successfully created a blog post on Shopify and can now use blogging to attract visitors, improve SEO, and build your brand. Thanks for watching.